Welcome to my channel, kids. Common daily use sentences. Good morning. Wake up. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Take a bath. Get dressed. Let's have breakfast. Let's go to school. Listen to your teacher. Write neatly. Let's count the numbers. Read a book. Do your homework. Let's play together. Don't run too fast. Let's go to bed. Good night. Eat your food. Drink water. Sit down. Stand up. Nice to meet you. Clean your room. Take a sip. Listen to me. Look here. Give me your hand. Take your bag. Open your eyes. Close the window. May I come in? The baby is crying. Peel the banana. Have some butter? Come inside. Don't shout. Be quiet. See you later. Share your lunch. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel.